Hello, little friends. Welcome back to the farm. Today, we have a big adventure ahead because we are going to meet 20 more farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Look who's here first, it's a cow. Cows say moo. And give us milk for cheese, butter, and ice cream. Now, let's visit the horses. Horses say neigh. And love to gallop across the fields. Farmers ride them to travel around the farm. Over there, we see sheep. They say baa, baa. And give us warm wool for clothes. And here come the goats. Goats say meh. They love to climb rocks and give us delicious milk for cheese. Oh, look at those pigs. Pigs say oink, oink. They love rolling in the mud to stay cool on hot days. Now, let's find the chickens. Chickens say cluck, cluck. And lay eggs for our breakfast. In the pond, we see ducks. Ducks say quack, quack. And love to splash in the water. Right next to them, there are geese. Geese say honk, honk. And help protect the farm by making loud noises when something unusual happens. Look! Here comes a turkey. Turkeys say gobble, gobble. And have beautiful feathers. Now, let's visit the donkeys. Donkeys say hee-haw. They help farmers carry heavy loads and love to be petted. And hopping around the barnyard, we have rabbits. Rabbits have long ears, twitchy noses, and love to nibble on carrots. Over in the meadow, we see llamas. Llamas say hum. And have soft fur that can be made into warm clothes. Next, let's meet the alpacas. Alpacas look like llamas but are smaller and love to stay in groups. Now, look over there, it's a peacock. Peacocks have beautiful, colorful feathers and make a loud call that sounds like ee-ah. Look at the big, strong oxen. Oxen help farmers pull heavy carts and plow the fields. They are super strong. Oh, I see mules. Mules are a mix between a donkey and a horse. They are smart, strong, and love to work on the farm. Now, let's meet the ferrets. Ferrets are small, curious, and love to run through tunnels and play. Over in the trees, we spot pigeons. Pigeons say coo, coo. And sometimes help carry messages. And what do we have here? It's a guinea pig. Guinea pigs are small, furry, and love to squeak when they are happy. Let's visit the barn cats. Cats say meow. And help keep the farm safe by chasing away mice. And last but not least, we have sheepdogs. These clever dogs help herd sheep and protect the animals on the farm. Wow! We met so many farm animals today. Let's say all their names together: cows, horses, sheep, goats, pigs, chickens, ducks, geese, turkeys, donkeys, rabbits, llamas, alpacas, peacocks, oxen, mules, ferrets, pigeons, guinea pigs, barn cats, and sheepdogs. What an amazing farm adventure! What's your favorite farm animal? Thanks for joining me today.